watching this video, that probably means that you are somebody who wants to start making money online. You've been trying to make money online. It's something that you really want to do. You want to start pursuing that financial freedom. If that's you, hopefully this video will motivate you. Damn it, this should motivate you. Alright. I'm on the stationary bike right now doing some morning cardio, right? I'm actually living that whole passive income lifestyle because as I'm on this bike right now, right, burning these damn calories, right, I'm earning money. Whether it be, you know, from YouTube or somebody joining an email list or whatever, right? I'm actually earning money right now as I'm exercising, as I'm working out, right? But the point of this video is, like, at some point, you have to cross that line, right? And what line I'm talking about is the, you know, over here you got the I'm curious, you know, I want to see how to make money online. I want to learn how to make money online. I want to really do my research and due diligence and I want to get right and get ready to pursue my financial goals, right? Then on the other side of that line is you actually doing the things you need to do to make those dreams a reality, right? So many people get stuck on that other side of the line of just like, oh, I'm just looking, I'm just watching videos, I'm just reading blog posts all the time, I'm on TikTok, I'm just searching how to make money online all day, every day. But then when you really step back and analyze, what are you actually doing to make it happen when it comes to making money online? Whether it be affiliate marketing, network marketing, drop shipping, eBay, Facebook Reels, whatever it is, right? Eventually you got to cross that line and be like, look, I have enough information. I know enough to start earning some money, right? If you're watching this, I'm very confident if you've been trying to, you know, learn how to make money online in whatever way you're trying to learn, after about a week or two, you should have enough information to actually start generating money. Point blank, period. And this is for anybody who is serious about doing this, right? Like, this make money online thing is real. People are really doing it. I'm really doing it. You can really do it, but you have to really want to do it, and you have to really make it happen, right? So the point is, it's fine to look into what you want to do. It's fine to research, right? It's all good. You should do that, right? Watch tutorials and get some advice. That's all good. But at some point, you got to cross that line and start really taking action, doing the things that you know you need to do to make things happen, right? Maybe it's the things that you don't feel like doing, right? But you know it's the things that you need to be doing. All right, so like I said, this is all real. You can make this happen. You just got to do it. So just remember, at some point, you got to cross that line and make it happen.